Coco emptied their clip pan Lady P.
You must know that. Eh? Now come tell me say every week, me and people in a things and me and people in a bagger and oh, me and this and me and that. So what the blood clot you always follow me up stuff and always want to come for my life and come in a box gun chat. Why you always want to talk to me then if you bagger? No, you want to come enough up in a blood clot me. How are you? Everything on the comment. If anyone a blood clot wanna feel like gonna come me down pan this, wanna make a sad blood clot mistake, that me I tell you. Anyone that wanna ugly stay but basic big pussy bitch, feel like you can come cow down blood clot, me no make a sad fucking mistake. You hear me say? Don't use me name as a blood clot example. Go use a big pussy what feel in a life as a blood clot example when you can't walk in a blood clot cowl. Cause me never see a woman salt so yet. You hear? Oh. Clot. You come talk about some sell pussy, big pussy dirty woman. You should not sell pussy. Maybe you should not sell blood clot pussy. Cause your pussy fail in a marriage and fail with kindness. You should not sell out your blood clot red. I mean the tell us enough to sell pussy and a struggle dirty woman. You better look up piece of big man, you come bad say me bad mind you lady P. Me Kyhighlah and Ramsey bad mind you. All because me talk the truth. Me say you can't live in an apartment where you rent and have roommates and then I bring down blood clot people. You can't do that. You're fucking bright. You're too fool. You're too enough. You're too enough, lady P. You're too fucking enough, man. Look how the girl cranny. And a Kyhighlah Ramsey I talk to, no big pussy. A Kyhighlah Ramsey I talk to. Remember that. Remember. I'm full of receipt in a blood clot. I don't need to come on this, come prove no at all. First of all, my next vehicle, me buy, me don't want nobody know my vehicle. I don't want nobody come go like they want to study me. I'm not frightened like you, lady P. Like girl make money and own money and live good blood clot life. And nobody part you have blood clot roommate and go buy blood clot old car. You should stick to a Toyota and get a blood clot apartment for yourself. So you don't have to bad mind your blood clot TikTokers. And I talk about also people with apartment. Like what you post the blood clot all car, nobody did a bad mind, you bring down your dirty blood clot. Never sick on blood clot, see. Never sick on blood clot, see. You talk about say you never have to tap roses for your blood clot care, but you come for TikTok and beg people prepare your blood clot school fee. Go suck your mother again. Go and suck your mother. At least you have care. Me have blood clot care to a own. And I'm this is you compared to me. You're not better than me. You're not better than me. You don't better than me, lady P. Me not there back road at night time I sell pum pum. Me there in my house at night time I sleep and I watch TV. You hear that? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. But true, you're too fucking bright. The bitch too blood clot bright. I'm telling you already, me no want none of you come over here, so you know. Anyone who want to play two side, don't come on my page. You hear that? Me don't want a friendship from none of you. Don't come over here. Don't come over here, sir. Oh. The two blood clot bitter. I say you scared, sir.
I don't know why people come over here and get to it. People, let me tell you something. Me not come on TikTok or you know cussing her back to back with nobody, you know.
You're the fucking wicked.
My life and Coco feel like she me attack and go cuss me. She go cuss by herself and me not go answer. Because I was not talking about her, I just use her name as an example. I was just talking into
yeah, but you say not talk about me, but I use my name as an example. Bitch, go suck your mother 100 million times. Go and suck your mother. Why am I name you have to use that example and then I talk about you come to Jamaica coming from me like you want to get gunshot left, right, and center big pussy. You think some links them normal, dirty, lady P? Eh? You think some blood clot links them normal, lady P? When I see my blood clot car on road, I want to shoot it up and can't blood clot shoot it up, you know. You hear me say? You hear me say? When you do a blood clot wicked. We don't need no, I run no joke with no. No feel like some, you know, me no idiot and me think soft. When you can do this, pan TikTok, but when you can't blood clot do this in a real life. You hear that? Come on, respect me a road. You hear me say? Me no want no respect for no big pussy girl, cause no girl can't blood clot defend me a road. A man, you hear that? I think no normal. So nobody come go on like so you can come beat up on yourself and mother up on yourself on TikTok. And yes, you don't have to do it, so you can't do it. No blood clot where else. I mean, I say no else. When you can't do it, nowhere else. A TikTok will have to come and bad up on yourself. Because not TikTok bad girl. My body in a real blood clot life. I mean, I fear none of uno. I'm a dirty friend them. I mean, I fear none of blood clot uno. I mean, I fear no police. I mean, I fear no gay.
Coco come over my life and Coco feel like a she me attack and want go cuss me. She go cuss by herself because me not go answer. Because I was not talking about her. I just use her name as an example. I was just talking.
Why use the name?
I was just trying to make a point and use her and say, Coco, if we have an apartment, you know you don't want something bigger than that. You get me that one. You go ask me if I own my own house. No, I don't own my own house. I just come America and get money from my own house. I'm not talking on an apartment. The apartment me live in it too. You get me? I live in an apartment also, so I will never speak on an apartment. Apartment run things. Apartment run things. But I'm saying, I will never come and brag about nothing when I'm mine. I'm not going to make nobody make come on my life. life me not gonna make nobody make me come for my life and can't come talk to me one talk. As long as me know myself, me always come for my life come talk like this is not the first. Me always say me want the bigger and the better. If me get the associate degree, me want the masters. Me get the masters, me want the doctorate. Me crave, me always want more.